Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Sant Tukaram National Model School. Myself Abhay Daithankar, your maths teacher, and we will be discussing about the decimal numbers from 5th standard. In the last few videos, we have seen how to compare the decimal number, how to add and subtract decimal numbers. In this video, we are going to see how to multiply the decimal numbers. For that, I am going to share my screen. So we will first begin with the multiplication of decimal numbers. Now, how to multiply the decimal number? The multiplication of decimal number is as simple as that of multiplication of whole numbers. Only the thing we have to decide where to place the decimal point after the multiplication. Let us see with few examples. So multiplication of decimal numbers is similar to that of the multiplication of the whole numbers. And what we are going to do, we are going to carry out the multiplication of decimal numbers by forgetting about the decimal point. We will not take the decimal point into the consideration. We'll see with an example. Example is 23.25 is being multiplied by a whole number 15. So the decimal number is multiplied with the whole number. Now, so first of all, we'll write down the numbers in the place value chart. And as we carry out the multiplication of whole numbers, we are going to multiply with one's place of multiplier with all the places in the multiplication. In this case, multiplication is 23.25 and multiplier is 50. And we are going to multiply with the one place of the multiplier 5 with all the places in the multiplication. So we'll begin with the multiplication of 5. 5 5 are 25. We get 5 down, we keep 2 up, then 5 to the 10. We add 2 in it, so it will become 12, and 1 will be carried forward. 5 to the 15, we add 1, so that we will get 6 down, and 1 will be carried forward. And 5 to the 10, and we will add 1 in it, so it will become 11. Now, 1 we are placing in the first place, and another second one we are placing in the next place. Next thing is to multiply with the 10th place of the multiplier, that is 1. So when 1 is multiplied with 5, actually we are multiplying with the 10th place, we are going to put 0 at 1's place. So 1 multiplied by 5 we are getting 1, 1 multiplied by 2 we are getting 2, 1 multiplied by 3 we are getting 3, and 1 multiplied by 2 we are getting 2. And now we are going to add the product. So 0 plus 5 we are getting 5, 2 and 5 we are getting 7, 6 and 2 we are getting 8, 1 and 3 we are getting 4, and 1 and 2 we are getting 3. Now we get the product as 3, 4, 8, 7, 5. Now where to place the decimal point? Shall we put the decimal point exactly below where there are 2 decimal places in the multiplication, so that there will be 2 decimal places in the product also? Isn't this true? Let us see how it comes to be. Now, where to put the decimal point? Now, we are actually converting this multiplication of decimal numbers to the multiplication of fractions. First of all, we'll write down 23.25 in the form of fractions, as there are 2 decimal places. We'll write 23.25 as 2325 equal to 100. So there are 2 decimal places, so we'll put 2 zeros. Then we are going to multiply with 15, and every whole number is a fraction with the denominator 1. So now, in the multiplication of fractions, we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So in this case, 2325. So in this case, 2325 will be multiplied with 15. So here we are multiplying 2325 with 15. Now what is the denominator of 15? Denominator of 15 is 1. So now the 100 will be multiplied with 100. 100 will be multiplied with 1. So when we multiply 2325 with 15, we are getting 34,875 as the numerator of the product. And in the denominator we are having 100 multiplied by 1. So we are getting the denominator as 100. Now, how we are having the denominator of this particular fraction as 100? Can we convert this into decimal? Yes, there are 2 zeros, so there will be 2 decimal places in the product also. So we'll write down 348.75. So we'll put the decimal place after the two decimal, we'll put the decimal point after 2 decimal places in the product. So when a decimal number is multiplied with the whole number, there will be same number of decimal places in the product also as there are in the multiplication. Here we are having the case of a decimal number is multiplied with the whole number. In the next video, we are going to see the decimal number is being multiplied with a decimal number, and now how to and where to put the decimal point in the product. Where it will come, that we'll see in the next video. Till then,